Here is the Eachine Novice. I don't know why I even have this thing. So Eachine has this unique ability to put together some surprisingly good value seeming products and kits. And this is no different than something that seems like a really fantastic value, because you get this little quad in here, you get a really surprisingly nice case, which is cheap, but it really does feel like it's going to hold up pretty okay. When you look inside, you see that there is a controller, which is probably from another product, since it has a little mount for a cell phone, and it's not really very good at all at anything. And some goggles, which honestly the viewing experience of these goggles are better than the Fat Shark Scout, but the rest of the goggle is just so bad that it's not really useful. The controller and goggles are pretty much useless in this. And you also get this nice cutout foam, which, by the way, I have made cutout foam before. It's not cheap to do, and it's pretty annoyingly difficult as well. So that's actually really, like the box that it comes in is kind of more interesting than the quad and the whole kit itself. Comes with a couple batteries, comes with a charger in there, which is totally fine. All this is great. It's going to be a really quick review because there's really not much to say about this. The quad is a half model quad, so the all-in-one board is probably not going to last more than a couple of flights. The motors are 1102 motors in 13,500 kV. No idea if that's the actual kV, because I had to run this with a 70% throttle cut. 70% throttle cut. Maybe I got a weird set of motors that are like 1,000,000 kV or something. But once I knocked it down 70%, it flew great. It flies fine. These props are fine. The frame is fine. It's durable. It holds up. It's not a light whoop quad, and it comes with a camera on there that I'm not a huge fan of. Actually, no, this is not the Racer. This is just the regular 2. I forgot. The regular Runcam Nano 2 I actually like. The Racer I don't really like very much. So this is fine. It's just that having a nano camera, a full nano camera on a whoop kind of increases the weight a bit. This isn't a lightweight whoop, but it does perform totally fine. The quad performs fine. I just wouldn't recommend the whole kit because this is not enough. It's a joke to consider this a novice kit. I mean, I don't think there's a single person out there that could just pick this thing up and fly it as is. I mean, I couldn't even fly it after 5 years, 6 years of flying these things. I can't even fly it with the controller that it comes with. So I mean, this is really just a money grab by Eachine. So don't buy it at all. Hope that was informational and helpful. Floss your teeth. If you want a ready to fly kit or a novice kit, Emax is coming out with a really easy to fly thing that really a novice or anybody can pick up and fly. I would recommend that one if you're looking for a quad. Otherwise, don't get this at all. Get a controller, play a sim, and then build your own whoop. That's the best way to go. The quad fly is fine. I don't think many people are going to be buying this, at least for my audience. Take care. Bye.